This is part number AFA-117. It's a neoprene dampening ring. This ring is designed to go over your plate holder on your plate rack, and then you can rack your Olympic plates up on it, and it'll put a neoprene barrier between the cast iron plates and the frame itself, so it reduces the noise. Most of the time these plate horns are welded to a flat surface, whether it be the side of a squat rack or it could just be a freestanding plate holder. Nevertheless, there'll be a weld right here, and in order for this ring to sit flat against that surface, there's a beveled edge, as you can see. That makes it to where this will sit flat and still have room for clearance for the welding. The dimensions are 3.5 on the outside diameter nominally, just over 1.75 inches on the inside diameter, just under 7/16 on the thickness. There will be a link in the description so that you can find out more information, or you can even place an order.